Morning, y'all. It's early again. Don't be surprised. Sorry about this, but somebody asked me to show how I installed the filtered shower head that I shared with you all in the last vlog. Okay, good. Yes, I should be able to. So I am going to prop you all up right over here. So this is the shower head that I currently use for wash days. And fortunately, you can just unscrew it and screw the new shower head on. I know the lighting isn't ideal because this isn't a formal tutorial, but yes, that's the install, girl. Sorry it's so yellow, but I do hope that kind of gave some insight on how to install the new shower head. Can literally hear all of the appliances working in my home. But anyway, I'm looking a mess and haven't even really jumped into my day just yet because I want to tell you all thank you. First of all, I am so grateful that you all actually enjoyed my last vlog, and I definitely have been inspired to do them more often, which is why we're here today. And shout out to those of you who not only noticed the editing, but also noticed my music choices. In case you didn't know, looking for good royalty-free, copyright-free music takes hours. So thank you all so much for appreciating and noticing that. This whole putting myself out there thing is very unnerving for me. I just have to get over this whole complex that I'm experiencing where I'm like, they're not gonna want to see that. Maybe I shouldn't record that. If it doesn't need to be included, I can just cut it out of the video. Plenty of you said that you were riding shotgun on this new ride. Welcome. The snacks are in the armrest. It's really rainy and nasty outside. I plan on doing little to nothing, so I'll check in with you all later.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. And so I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
My lips is dry. I want to put on a coat. It's 38 degrees. Alright folks, I am about to head out to lunch with my good sis. People is hungry, you know what I'm saying? And I always got money to go out to eat. I might swing by a furniture store so I can, try to draw some inspiration on what I would like to do to my bedroom. But I don't know, because furniture is just a lot, okay? It's a lot. Okay. Another day, another slide. I'm headed out. We are just going to go grab some lunch at this Korean barbecue place. But while I have furniture, I haven't really decorated and made my house a home. So that is another personal goal of mine this year, is to really kind of dive into decorating my house and making it my own. You know what I'm saying? Aside from my office, which I'm keeping as a really clean, simple aesthetic, I don't really know how I want to decorate my house. So in recent months, I have been all up and down Pinterest and all over Instagram. And if we're being honest, everybody's house looks the fucking same. I'm not interested in all white. I'm not interested in off-white. I'm not interested in beige. You just gonna cut me off? Okay. Everybody got the same Z Gallery, Restoration Hardware, Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn ass house, and that's just not something that What are you doing, girl? Like the killers. But Anyway, so my tentative plan to kind of pinpoint my style has been obviously, you know, the Pinterests and the Instagrams, and just going to Target and Home Goods with my Chase card and vibes, going into random furniture stores and Home Goods to figure out what the hell I'm finna do. I'm just gonna have to go out and see what I'm drawn to and go with that, because I'm not interested in having no house that don't look lived in.
I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. What you still doing? Pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you.
Hey yo, shorty, won't you go get a bag of the lethal? I'll be undressed in the bra all see-through. While you count your jewels thinking I'ma cheat you. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you. Keep the stone sets, I got my own baguettes. And I'll be doing things that you won't regret. Little Kim the queen bee, so you best take heed. Shall I proceed? Yes indeed.
It's the middle of my work day, so I look a mess, and I wasn't even really planning on filming this part. My perfume shelf is out for delivery. The devil works hard, but Amazon works harder. Oh, wait. I got a bunch of boxes. Whew. Apparently, my shelf wasn't the only thing out for delivery. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, let's go ahead and prop y'all up yet again. So my perfume shelf, I actually found it on Amazon. It's really simplistic, it's minimal, it's aesthetically pleasing, but it's also going to be functional. It's heavy and I'm not about to assemble it right now, but I will insert a picture and I'll also make sure that I have it linked down below in case you're interested. When I finally do set it up, granted that it's not stressful and getting on my nerves, I'll make sure I bring you all along with. Also in the mail, I got some new natural hair products. Unfortunately for you, I will not be sharing what brands or what products are in these boxes. You're just going to have to wait on the content because they are paying your girl like the good Lord intended. And when the sponsored videos come out, please make sure that you support your girl. Thank you so much. I also got some skincare PR. First up is Peace Out Skincare. Peace Out, I use their pimple patches. That's really the only thing that I'm familiar with from them. There you go. I got the retinol eye stick as well as the retinol face stick. In case you didn't know, retinol is that girl for pores and for wrinkles. I'll probably try them out in a future vlog because that's just how I'm choosing to integrate skincare into my content lately. So stand by. I also have PR from a brand called 3 Ships. First up from 3 Ships, they gave me their Refresh Papaya and Salicylic Acid Foaming Cleanser, which, it's too bright. So that's what they gifted me. And they also sent me their Radiance Grape Stem Cell and Squalane Day Cream. And I definitely need a new moisturizer because it's getting cold and my face be dry as hell. And lastly from 3 Ships, I got their Get Clean Reusable Bamboo Cosmetic Rounds because I am about tired of using cotton rounds and they just kind of like leave residue on my face. I'm down to be sustainable now because I'm tired. And lastly for PR, I got this package from Rant Skincare, which is a K-beauty brand. And if we're honest, Koreans got the best skincare, okay? Rant actually sent me their Glow and Protect Serum, which looks like this. And this serum claims that it gives radiant and smoother skin, and who don't want that? Exactly. I'm definitely going to try this out and I'll probably integrate it into a future vlog. That way you all can see how I use it and how it performs on my skin firsthand. While I'm figuring out the settings of this camera, I am struggling to get it to not overheat. In fact, it's overheating now. So this will probably be the absolute last 4K video we have on the channel. We're going to Ultra HD because this, I don't have time for it. Alright. I'm finally getting ready to take these braids out, child. Yes. First, I need to get some stuff in order so that I can film. And I'm just making sure I have everything that I need. I also need to change my backdrop. So before I even get comfortable, let me go ahead and do that. Prop y'all up. Hopefully I can adjust the brightness in Final Cut when I edit this. But I still need to adjust my clamp lights because one still looks higher than the other. But I got my backdrop changed and I'm about to film my braid takedown video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog here. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts, and on your way to watching another video of mine, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.